Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be making this super delicious spicy Korean salmon dish. Probably the simplest recipe that I've done on this channel so far, but the flavour that goes on top is absolutely delicious. There's not many ingredients for this recipe at all, which is what makes it so simple. But we will start out with I've got half a side of salmon here. This will serve 2 to 3 people. First ingredient we're going to use is a fantastic ingredient called Gochujang. You can get it in most supermarkets. It's a spicy Korean fermented chili paste and it tastes absolutely delicious. We're then going to add the juice of 1 lime. You could use a lemon if you like. I just use a lime because that's all I've got lying around. You then want to add 1 generous teaspoon of sesame oil. And then follow that by a generous tablespoon of a light soy sauce. Then all we're going to do is literally just combine all that together so that it's all mixed up and you get this absolutely delicious, thick, spicy Korean paste, which you can pour all over the top of your salmon. Once it's mixed up, you can see how thick it goes. So what we're going to do is get some tin foil. We're just going to put that into the bottom of our roasting tin just because we don't want to ruin and burn it to the tin. We're going to put our salmon in there skin side down. Now there is no need to have the skin on it whatsoever. I was just lazy and couldn't be bothered to remove it. But the skin doesn't serve any purpose at all. So if you don't like the skin, just remove the skin. Now we're going to pour over that beautiful sauce all over the salmon. Make sure you get it everywhere. Once that's on, we're going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and we're going to put it in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. Please, whatever you do, do not overcook your salmon. That's one of the biggest things that people do. It goes horrible and dry. It should be nice, pink and blushing in the middle, and it should be full of moisture. You should never overcook fish. There's no need to. Once it's had about 25 to 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. Honestly, guys, this is so delicious. You've got to give it a go. Finish it off with some sesame seeds. And that is my spicy Korean salmon. Thanks ever so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the family. Until next time guys, catch you later.